e-wallet. Because every time you use Vibe to pay via QRPH, pay your bills, and buy prepaid load, you will get up to 100 PPI rewards points na pwede mong i-redeem or i-claim for free vouchers in the Vibe app as well. Ito pa, every time you can also use Vibe e-wallet to transfer funds to other banks and e-wallets for free. O diba? Ang daming features ng Vibe. Talaga namang ang saya ng Vibe, diba? You are making the most out of every transaction. Now, to give us more information about Vibe by BPI and its partnership with M. Louvillier, let me call on BPI's Head of Digital Partnerships and Ecosystems, Mr. Eric Faustino.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, media friends. It's nice to see you again. I see a lot of familiar faces. Mga suki natin yan. So, for today, I'm very excited because we are doing this partnership with M. Villiers, which I believe we share the same vision. Because BPI, we want to help change the Philippines one family, one community at a time. But on the M. Villiers side naman, ang kanilang slogan or ang kanilang tagline is para maging tunay ng pamilyang Pilipino. So we have that same goal to help the Filipino family. And with that, I'd like to start off with my demo today on what Vibe is all about. But of course, I expect most of you sana may Vibe na tayo, di ba? For those na wala pa, we can help you do it. Okay, so, next slide, please. Okay, so, how can someone without a Vibe start using it? It's very simple. Of course, simply download the Vibe app. It's currently available in Google Play and in the App Store. And the client will just need to provide very basic information. So, some people may be asking, pwede ba yung kahit walang BPI account or can anybody get signed up for Vibe? Of course, yes. You don't need a BPI account to enjoy Vibe. Anyone with the Philippine SIM card, di ba? And kung Pinoy ka naman, yes, you can sign up for Vibe. Okay, I'll be doing a quick demo. Okay, testing lang. Muna nakikinig tayong lahat. Pagising. Okay, so, let's go to the next slide because I'm very excited to give you a refresher on how to sign up for Vibe. Napakadali. So, how is it done? We go to the As I mentioned, we don't need a BPI account to do it. Are you a BPI online user? No lang. Okay. And then we'll ask simple questions for you. We need to get your name, birthday, and some stuff like email address and mobile. And then that's it. Wala na kayong kailangang ID or anything. And then you need to nominate a PIN. Just so when you access the app the next time, it is secured by your PIN. And that's it. You're done. So, wala nang reason or excuse not to be in Vibe. But, for those naman with a BPI account, it's also simple. Napakadali rin gawin. Diba? When you're asked, just say, yes, you have an existing BPI account, and then key in your BPI online credentials. So with that, we are able to know na ikaw ngayon, na like me, si Eric Faustino nga yung naglalogin. And then, that's simple, and then you just nominate your PIN, and you're done. This one is simpler, but of course, we're not expecting everyone to be a BPI account holder. That's why we made it easy, regardless. So, ganun siya kadali. So, can I see a show of hands? Sino yung ni-Vibe na? Mga friends. Very good. Thank you. Yung wala pa. Be honest.
Natakot sila.
Sige, no problem. Tutulungan namin kayo later on how to do it. So, now that we're done with the demo, very simple to sign up. I'll refresh everyone on what you can do with Vibe. So, just like any e-wallet, you can use it for payments, you can use it for transferring, etc. But what's more rewarding is that every time you use Vibe, you earn points. You earn points not just from your transactions in Vibe, but also if you have BPI products and services. So it's not just a wallet, it's also BPI's loyalty platform. Diba? If you have an existing BPI credit card, you swipe it, you earn points. If you have an existing BPI loan, nagbayad ka ng monthly amortization mo, you get points. Meron kang dollars na binili sa branch. Nagpunta ka sa branch, nagpapalit ka, I need dollars, eh, pupunta akong US bukas. Ayan. You earn points for that as well. So, that is the rewards portion, and that's what we also want you to take advantage of. Matami tayong rewards. Hindi nyo napapansin, probably, existing BPI clients, you're earning rewards for your credit cards, rewards for your loans. Gamitin natin yung gamitin. And then, you can redeem nice and wonderful items after that. So what are the features of Vibe? Very quickly, of course, we are now in the digital age and most Filipinos are familiar with the QR. We have two QRs right now. The QRPH, the one with this logo, and then the InstaPay. Medyo tech-savvy people, kahit hindi tech-savvy, nakikita nyo yan when you go out, when you dine in, when you shop, right? So, any QR, whether it's the one for the QRPH or the InstaPay, pwedeng bamili ni Vibe. And there's no fee for that. Wala siyang bayad. So when you go out, nakita mo kunyari, French fries stand. Sometimes, since it's a person may-ari ng French fries stand, you might see InstaPay. Kasi personal accounting ginagamit na for the French fries stand. Pwede si Vibe dyan. Or when you go, kunyari, to a burger joint, or when you go to Sarsa, ito, probably ang makikita nyo. But regardless, you can use Vibe for it. Because we are now interoperable. Diba? Not because nakita nyo yung brand, yung blue brand, yung green brand, hindi pwede ang BPI. So you can use BPI, you can use Vibe because we're interoperable. Okay? So, best of all, free yan. There's no charge. Okay. Of course, ako I'll be asking our media friends not just to push for Vibe. You also help us to talk about on the interoperability of QRPH. Kasi it's the Philippine standard that BSP and the government is pushing for. It's not just for BPI. It's not just for Vibe. So, ako, as a citizen of the Philippines, I'm also appealing for your help to help educate our fellow Pinoys. Interoperable po yan. Thank you. So, bakit Vibe ang gagamitin natin? Ang dami-dami nating wallet. You may have the blue wallet, you may have the green wallet. So why use Vibe when you pay? Because every time you scan or pay using Vibe, you get rewards points. Magbabayad ka na rin lang naman eh. Mag-earn ka pa ng points. So, use Vibe. Okay? Ayan. What else? We are offering free funds transfers to any e-wallet or bank. That is a Vibe feature or a value proposition that we are very proud. So you can transfer to the other banks, free yan. Or to the other wallets, that is free. Either you scan or you key in the details, and then that's it. Very seamless. What else is available for you guys in Vibe? Of course, since you are all in Vibe, you can also send to other Vibe users for free. Vibe to Vibe. Free din yan. Hopefully, as we grow our ecosystem, as we grow our Vibe users, mas marami tayong pwedeng lipatan. Next one. Sometimes, napuno na yung Vibe wallet natin. Doon sa mga nagtakas kanina, na mayroong Vibe wallet. Sometimes you may have experience, ang dami ko ng laman sa Vibe ko eh. I mean, yes, thank you. Ang dami ng laman sa Vibe. Sino maraming laman sa Vibe? Ayan. So, when puno na siya, sometimes, hindi natin may iiwasan, pistilin ka. Diba? Ayaw man nating sabihin, of course, we are now cashless, we're digital people. Sometimes, you still need cash. Or, sometimes, nag-jogging ka, you had a run, pero iniiwan mo yung wallet mo. But you never forget your phone. Diba? Or umalis ka ng bahay, pumasok ka, nalimutan mo yung wallet mo. You don't go back for your wallet. Right? Hawak mo naman yung phone mo. But you need to buy something for lunch. So how do you do that? We have free cash out. You can cash out from your Vibe wallet for free. And it's available in these ATMs. So we are the first wallet to offer cash withdrawals na cardless. You don't need your card, you don't need your physical thing to get your money. And it's free. Okay? Next, ang daming features, parang mauubos ang hininga ko sa pagkukwento sa inyo. What else? Paying bills. Paying bills is also available in Vibe. We have more than 500 billers available. And there's no need to pre-enroll them. Kahit hindi siya enrolled, or kunyari, bill ng nanay mo, sabi, oy anak, bayaran mo yung bill nung auntie mo kasi hindi makabayad. Of course, you don't normally pay your auntie's bill, but you can do it here for free sa mga selected billers natin, and there's no need to enroll. What are those bills that you can pay in time? Sample, credit card bills. Diba? We have credit card bills. You can pay your BPI, Metro Bank, AUB, China Bank. Yeah, so you can pay those bills. And then you can also pay water bills, electricity, telco. Ako, I pay my Globe bill, of course. I'm on Globe. Kasi ayala tayo. Anyway, so I pay my Globe bill in Vibe. I pay my water bill sa Vibe. So, tayong mga nasa Metro Manila, we can pay Maynila and Manila Water. So, it's available. But we also have regional billers. We also have regional billers. Next, anong maganda with paying with Vibe? Bakit Vibe ang pipiliin natin? There are other apps naman in the world, or in the Philippines, in the world talaga. But, why Vibe? Because you also earn rewards points. And the more you earn points, mas maganda yung makukuha natin na rewards, na mga gifts. Diba? Yung nabanggit na kanina na rewards portion. So, you get points as well for paying your bills. Saan ka pa? Diba? You don't get that from anywhere. What else? Free add money. Okay, bakit importante? Why is it important to add money? Of course, mauubos yung pera mo dun sa wallet kasi syempre masarap mamili. Masarap gamitin ng Vibe o mauubos agad yung laman niya. How do you put money into Vibe? Several things. We made it very easy for our clients to do it. You can do it from your BPI account. Pwede kang mag-pull. So, coming from the Vibe app, you pull money from your BPI account. That is one. Or, coming naman from your BPI account, you can push or load money. So, two ways if you have a BPI account. But for those who doesn't have any BPI account, it's not a problem. Later, I will show you how to do it. Okay? Ano pa ang maganda with Vibe? Ano pa yung magandang gawin with Vibe? Prepaid load. You can also do that. Prepaid loading. All the major telcos, you can load. And the good thing about it is that wala siyang transaction fees. Diba? Some of you may have tried it using other apps or using other channels, pero malamang may fee. Or when you go to a sari-sari store, nagpa-load ka ng 50 pesos, sasabihin sa yung tindera, 55. Diba? This one, there's no fee. You get the entire 50 pesos, wala kang fee, and you also earn rewards points. May rewards points pa. Diba? Wala nang ang fee, you get 100 rewards points. So that's the beauty of it. And we have lower denomination. We have as low as 20 pesos, 10 pesos, diba? Yung barayang natitira sa wallet, pwede yan. Masusulit nyo, magagamit nyo. Okay. And ito na, ang magandang balita. Now, you can cash in via M. Luwilier branches. So, we've partnered with M. Luwilier, and they have around 3,000 branches in the Philippines. Of course, we know naman ang Pinoy. Malapit sa M. Louvillier. It's always there. It's a trusted brand and they're very kampante in working or in dealing with their branches. So for today, yan yung gusto nating ipaalam sa inyo and hopefully our clients will find value in it. Why? Not everybody has a BPI account. So ang tanong ngayon ni client, how do I load my wallet? So, you can visit M. Louvillier branches to have your wallet loaded for free. Wala po siyang charge. So you just visit an M. Louvillier branch for that one. So, let's see, let's watch how to do it. Upon arriving sa M. Louvillier, fill out the Kwarta Padala form. Yun lang. Sinurkan ko na. Ang yung video ko eh. Nagising di ba? Nagising tayo lahat. Pakibalik. Ako yung nabitin. Sa panguran. Kwarta Padala form. Okay. Matawa yung boss ko. And then you just put the cashing amount. And then that's it. Of course, iabot mo yung pera. Pero there's no charge. That's the best thing about it. Because when you may want to load others, may charge yun eh. Normally 1% or 10 pesos. Ito, buong buo. You get the money. 100%. Sure ako siya. Okay? So thank you very much. Of course, I expect. Sana marami tayong natutunan with my refresher. And we'll open the floor for questions later. Thank you.